Hi everybody, Julie Ball here, founder and chief sparkler of Sparkle Hustle Grow, the monthly subscription box and online community for female entrepreneurs. Every month I do an unboxing video to unveil what's in the box and to give our subscribers a feel for kind of how I use the products and why I included them in the box. This is the April 2018 unboxing. The theme was Level Up. So let's dig in. When we open it up, you're always going to see the Yay It's Here card. As I always say, don't throw that away because in the back, it's your packing list. So if you aren't sure what one of the items is, or you need a description or like the retail value, check your packing list and it has everything listed right on the back. Every month we include online training. This is really important to us and really at the core of what Sparkle Hustle Grow is about. We are all about empowering women with the best of the best tools and trainings to develop your business, but also personal development. So this month's course goes over the legal business foundations. For the first time ever, we're talking about things on the legal side of business. It might not be the most fun part of it, but it's something that's crucial to the health of your business. So Emily Baker joins us and she is a firecracker. You're gonna love her style and she gives it to you straight. She's gonna give us the practical legal business foundation that you're missing. It's one of those things is you don't know what you don't know. This course is brand new and packs a punch. The box is jam-packed, as you can see. And on top, you will find a coupon that goes along with a little snack. Sometimes we include snacks because, you know, when we're in the office, we get a little hungry. But this, again, the theme here is level up. So we are taking it a level up with our snack. Let's just take a look at what this says. It is a coconut cashew bar from Primal Kitchen. And it is gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, 3 grams of sugar, paleo approved, and 15 grams of protein. I'm really excited to hear the reviews on this product, and if you love them, you can use your buy one get one free coupon that you got in the box. Next on the list is what we had as our spoiler alert. This is a dual USB wall charger from iHome. So it's universal, so it can be used with any type of device that does have a standard USB port, and it's gold. And it's got this rapid charge technology that gives you the fastest charge possible. So you can double up on it and you can charge up to 2 USB powered devices like a phone or a tablet or an iPad, that type of thing. We're thrilled to include this in the box. I use it in my own office to power up my devices and it has a $19.99 retail value. For the first time ever, we have included a wireless mouse. Take a look at this beauty. It's a blush, turquoise, and gold trimmed mouse. Now this allows you to level up from your standard black mouse that you might have right out of the box when you bought your computer. But this is fun and fresh and feminine, so we wanted to give that little touch to help level up your office. It's both Mac and Windows compatible, and the way the wireless works is that you put in the USB port, and there's just a battery that's just battery powered, and it wirelessly connects. Love it. This wireless mouse retails for $24.99. So with these two products, you're pretty much equal to the price you paid for the box. So everything else is just a bonus. Think of it that way. And it's a business write-off, don't forget that. Next in the box is a 3-pack of mega paper clips for your big ideas. For reference, they are about 4 inches. You can see how big they are. They're perfect for projects and paperwork. In fact, I used several of these as I was preparing all my tax paperwork. Next in the box is a notepad by Wit and White. I found these gals online and they were such a joy to work with, and they made this specifically for us. We had posted 2 different designs in our private Facebook group for subscribers, and our subscribers voted on this one, and it says, hustle. When you work like nobody is watching, except they are, because you're a straight up hustler. And then on the bottom, it says instructions for use. Hustlers don't need instructions. I love it. And then they also provided subscribers with 15% off on their online shop. And finally, in every Sparkle Hustle Grow box, there is a book. And this month's book is called Daring and Disruptive: Unleashing the Entrepreneur by Lisa Messenger. Lisa is one of the top female entrepreneurs in Australia. And she was thrilled to find out that we were including her book in this month's shipments. Let me tell you about this book. So, vibrant, game-changing CEO Lisa Messenger shares an insightful account of her roller coaster ride as the creator and founder of the globally popular Collective Hub, the hit magazine of inspiration for disruptors and innovators of all stripes, with bold ideas how you can stay on track and remain true to whatever your passion may be. I absolutely love this book. It just fired me up. So between the book and the business training and all these upgrades to the office, we really feel like through this box, our subscribers were able to level up. Now, we did sell out of the April box, and we are currently selling May. May's theme is self-made. And if you haven't heard of self-made, just go ahead and Google self-made and look for Nellie Galan. That's your spoiler, and we're so excited about it, and we hope you join us. Those boxes are on sale now. Once you subscribe, you get an invitation to join our private Facebook group where we connect and we collaborate. It's all positive vibes in there, and our guest expert joins us each month to give us additional training, to help cheer us on, and just stoke that entrepreneurial fire that you have burning. And I feel like a lot of subscribers join for the stuff, for the box of goodies, and then they stay for the community because it is so inspiring, and it's been a game changer for so many of our subscribers. You can find out more details or subscribe now at sparklehustlegrow.com. And when you get to the website, you get to decide between the full-size box or the mini mailer. If you haven't heard about our mini mailer, this is the best choice for the entrepreneur on a budget or for the minimalist entrepreneur that doesn't want to get the box of stuff. Oftentimes, our subscribers stick with us so long that they just simply have enough stuff, but they still want to be a part of the community and they still want the books and the training, and that's when they choose the mini mailer. So each month, the mini mailer is going to include the Yay It's Here card telling you what's inside, your online training, and it's going to include the book. So the mini mailer runs $24.95 plus $3 flat rate shipping to anywhere in the US or Puerto Rico. So if you want your mini mailer or if you want the full-size box, head over now to sparklehustlegrow.com, and we can't wait to meet you. Thanks for watching. Bye.